Hi there, this is Fixed It. We were really lucky last year when our young fruit trees actually produced some fruit, but unfortunately the birds ate all of the fruit before we could get it off the tree. Like a lot of people, we're in lockdown due to COVID-19, so we thought we'd take some scrap wood we had in the garage and build a frame to put some mesh over to protect the young plants. Having built it, of course, we need to paint it with some green, but I didn't want to use the expensive brushes and the indoor paint trays for this horrible green paint. The other issue I had is I knew I'd be using a ladder on uneven ground, and trying to keep hold of a paint tray under those circumstances is nigh on impossible, and you'd end up spilling it all over the ground. As usual on my cycling day, Skippy, my tri-paw lurcher, had taken an interest in a 2-litre plastic milk container, and as he stuck his tongue in it, I suddenly thought, if I remove some of the side with a pair of scissors, this would make an absolutely brilliant paint tray with a handle. So I set about painting, and the plastic milk bottle paint tray was absolutely brilliant. Climbing up and down the ladder or on the ground, I got very little spillage, and also because of the thin sharp plastic, I was able to pull the brush against the sides and remove any excess paint, so I got very little in the way of spillage. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Fix It YouTube channel and leave any comments and likes. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.